Here's my 9-inch Holmes box fan. Now, I do have the older style one, the vintage one from 1994. I'll get a video of that one tomorrow. All right, later on tomorrow, but not tonight. Tonight I'm filming this one. This is the modern one. It has 2 speeds and has your typical 7.5-inch blade. Very powerful. It can get very loud. So has a modern design. Let's go ahead and run it, and here we go. I'll get a video of the vintage one from 1994 tomorrow. All right, here we go. It has one of those shaded pole motors where it has to warm up. And as it warms up, the fan speeds up. It gets faster and faster. Now, this is the one I was talking about when I said in the back of it, the motor housing doesn't have any holes in it, or vent holes for the motor to breathe. Do they still sell these on Amazon? Yes, they still sell these on Amazon. Can I get it on Amazon in the UK? Well, if the UK website is Amazon, on Amazon, the Amazon UK website sells them, then yes, I'm pretty sure you should be able to get this on the UK Amazon website. If they don't sell it, well, I'm sorry. I live here in California. I don't live there in the UK. I have a lot of people out there on my channel constantly asking me about, yeah, am I able to get this fan in the UK? I'm like, in London or the UK? I'm like, I don't know. I don't live there, so I don't go on Amazon, or I don't know anything about those stores. So really, you can quit asking me about that. Thank you very much, though. Now it's more powerful because the motor finally warmed up. So the more the motor warms up, the faster it gets. And this is high speed. Then we're going to put it on low. All right, low speed. I believe I got this fan back in 2017 or 18. I've had it for a while. It's a pretty good fan. The only downside to it is what I told you. The motor housing not having no vent holes. That's potentially dangerous for the motor, especially if I use it real heavy. like all the time, and that motor warms up, yeah, it can be pretty dangerous for the motor. The motor will end up burning out. It's kind of like what I told you about that House to Holmes fan, that black one I filmed. It's the exact same thing. It's not good at all. The manufacturer or the seller or the company that produced this, Holmes, which is not the real company anymore, obviously, it's Jordan Home Environment. Apparently they had no intentions on making this fan last for a long time because they didn't give it vent holes on the motor. That's really bad when the company does that to their customers. It's the same thing with the other one over here for House to Home and Mainstays and all these other folks. All right, spin down time. All right, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm out the Fan Man and out.